Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my previous videos, I have shown you different ways on how to earn through YouTube. Starting from application up to turning on video advertisements, super chats, and super stickers. If you haven't watched it yet, I've put the links in the description down below. Make sure to check it out. For this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to enable join button for your YouTube channel. Let's start by going to YouTube Studio Monetization. Then the Memberships tab. With memberships, your fans pay for special perks, and you earn extra income. To proceed, click Explore Next Steps. As you can see, the status of our join button is at 0%. You can turn on memberships after completing all the steps. And we have 4 steps to complete. Let's start with Step 1. Step 1 is about creating perks. By default, we have 3 levels and you can add more levels if you want to. In my case, I only want 1 level. So I'll just delete level 3 and level 2. Let's go ahead and create our perks. Create a level name. Keep it short and related to your YouTube channel niche. Then select monthly price. Click Create Perk. You can choose available perks or you can create your own. The title is required for your perk. Then fill out description and instructions. Click Submit for review. Then, a summary of your perk will appear, including level name, perks, and price per month. Please keep in mind, once you submit your perks for review you can no longer change the price per month. You can only create a new level. And if you delete the approved level, it will cancel existing membership at that certain level. If you're all set, click Continue. Then, click Submit. Your perks will be reviewed, usually within 24 hours. Now, our membership is 17% complete. Let's proceed to Step 2. This step includes uploading of exclusive badge and emojis for your members to use. The first tab is for badges. Members get a special badge next to their username for comments and live chat on your channel. To recognize loyal fans, the badge changes the longer they're a member. You can upload a custom badge or use generic YouTube badges. Keep in mind, there are only 3 supported formats and it should be less than 1 MB with a 1:1 aspect ratio. Let's proceed by uploading our 6 custom badge. And we are done uploading our badges. Click Next. Then we will be redirected to our second tab, which is for Emoji. Emoji are fun graphics that members can use in your live chat. Just like for our badges, there are only 3 supported formats for our emoji and it should be less than 1 MB with a 1:1 aspect ratio. Upload your custom emoji one by one. Then name it. By default, you can upload up to 4 emoji. As you gain more members, you can upload and share more emoji. Creating a unique family name is not required, but you can do it if you want to create a recognizable brand for your emoji. Click Save. And we are done with step 2. We can proceed with step 3, which is announce memberships. I've made a short video explaining the new join button on my channel, what they need to do, and what's in it for them. You can check the video I've made in the description down below. For step 3, just upload your join button promotion video as unlisted. Then, click Done. We are now finished with step 3 and we can proceed with step 4. Step 4 is the easiest one. All you have to do is create a members-only post in your community. It can be a video, a poll, or an image. And we are done with step 4. Once step 1 is reviewed and approved, membership status will be 100 complete. As you can see, the turn on button is now active. In order to launch membership, just click turn on. And there will be join button on your YouTube channel. The member-only post you've made in your community will be visible to those who will join your membership. Don't forget to switch your announcement video to public so your subscribers can hear about your membership. There you go, you've successfully launched your membership. For more video tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you.